Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Leah Martin, and I'm taking you inside KSC. The Solar Orbiter spacecraft was encapsulated inside the Astrotech Space Operations payload processing facility near Kennedy Space Center. The spacecraft is being prepared for launch in February from Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Solar Orbiter is an international cooperative mission between the European Space Agency, or ESA, and NASA. Its 10 instruments will study the Sun, its outer atmosphere, and solar wind. The mission will be the first to provide images of the Sun's poles. Plant pillows and a new seed handling material similar to breath freshener strips, containing the seeds for 3 types of leafy greens, were packed inside Kennedy's Space Station processing facility. Researchers assembled the supplies for a series of Veg3 experiments, J, K, and L, that will be delivered to the International Space Station aboard Northrop Grumman's next commercial resupply mission, NG-13, for NASA. The company's Antares rocket and Cygnus spacecraft are scheduled to lift off on February 9, 2020 at 5:39 p.m. from the agency's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. For more, check us out on social media or at nasa.gov/Kennedy.